Hello everyone. Now we haven't done Sunday lectures in a while because we've been focused so much on the Global Sacred Sound sessions, and we've wanted you to focus on that as well. This is for Sundays and Wednesdays. But we are preparing to start the lessons of Bliss. The first lesson of Bliss was originally scheduled for June 1st, which is Tuesday. However, as you can tell because I just said originally scheduled, there is a slight change of plans, and that's why I'm giving you this short message. We are going to have a special lecture live on Wednesday and on Sunday. It'll be the same lecture. It'll be live both days, but this is per instruction from Lantos. Let me give you the message that Lantos gave Cindy last night. Cindy had started because many of you have received the large Bliss pendants, and we have told you that Lantos had instructed us that the large Bliss pendants have to be enlivened each month during these live lectures, but we didn't really have any more information for you on it. We knew that the large Bliss pendants had already been enlivened on the Mother's Day event, May 9th. That event of Bliss enlivened all of the large and small Bliss pendants before we shipped them out to you. But then we told you you would need to enliven it in June. Cindy asked Lantos if this was still the case, or what happens if someone just cannot participate in one of these events? Is there another way for that person to enliven their Bliss pendant? Here's what Lantos said. This is a very good question. It is very interesting. The pendants maintain the form of energy with or without participating in a global session. This energy is a blueprint which is initialized within the structure. However, there is something more. There is something more. It is the nature of Bliss itself. Just as the individual activates the 8 personal sacred sounds during each session, there is something still more, still greater. That is Bliss, the nectar of Bliss. The individual experiences the awakening of the 8 values of expression. Yet, there is something more, and when this is added, one tastes the nectar of the golden realm. It is the nectar of Bliss. Activating each of the 8 pendants is complete. Complete. Yet, adding the experience of the nectar of Bliss generates something more. Participating in a global session of Bliss promotes the sublime nectar to flow. This nectar blesses the individual. The sounds of Bliss delight in the nectar. Nectar is also received by the pendant itself. It is very beautiful. Those participating in the sacred global events receive the golden nectar. It is the most sought-after substance in creation. So this is why it's important for you to participate in the Global Session of Bliss. And don't worry, we'll offer many of them each month. But while your large pendants, your large Bliss pendants, will not need to be enlivened, they will continue to hold the energy all on their own. You will want them with you as you participate in these global sessions of Bliss because they also receive the nectar of Bliss. But you, of course, receive the nectar of Bliss. Those participating in the sacred global events receive the golden nectar. It is the most sought after substance in creation. So this is why it's going to be good for you to participate in these global Bliss sessions. Now, like I said, we were supposed to have the first lesson of Bliss on Tuesday. But Lantos explained to Cindy. He said, before we offer this program to enliven all senses in bliss, we will present an introduction to the journey of bliss and the teachings of Kailash. Then he said, waves of bliss have been generated. He was talking about events just over the last week or two, even. And he said, present to our dear masters the messages of bliss. These are sacred days, holy days. The stirring of the droplets of heaven is precious. Focus should be given to the pure thoughts of bliss at this time. Then he continued, offer the messages of bliss. We will enjoy the sacred sounds of bliss and will bathe in the expressions of bliss. This will come as the ceremony ends and the production of the precious ambrosia is greatest. This we offer to each of our dear masters of the light. Very good. Many blessings. We have been receiving a lot of messages. Well, by we, I mean Cindy. Cindy has received a lot of messages from Lantos over the last few weeks pertaining to bliss. So what I am going to do on Wednesday and on Sunday in 2 live events, I will read to you selections from these messages pertaining specifically to bliss. They are beautiful, and so you'll enjoy those. And then, once we complete that, we will do a live global bliss session for everyone participating in that lecture. That means that we at the office will be using the flame and wand over your photograph. You will be at home, starting by holding the super water cell in your left hand, superstar cell in your right hand, and then after a little bit you'll hold the large bliss pendant. If you only have the small bliss pendant, you'll hold that one. Otherwise, you'll hold the large bliss pendant in your right hand with the super water cell in your left hand. We will use the flame over your picture. You will silently introduce the sounds of bliss. Then, after a few minutes, you'll swap. The large bliss pendant will go to your left hand, and the superstar cell will be in your right hand, and we will use the wand over your picture at the office for another few minutes, and then you'll hold the super cells again to end the session. So this is the Global Bliss session. And what this means is that we need you to RSVP for these sessions. We need to know who wants to attend and on which day. So Wednesday's lecture and session will begin at 6 p.m. Pacific time. That's 9 p.m. Eastern time. Now, I'm not entirely sure how long the entire lecture and session will be, but I'm going to guess just about 25 to 30 minutes. It shouldn't be longer than 30 minutes. That will include the Global Bliss session. Sunday, next Sunday, a week from today, we will do the Global Sacred Sound session, and that starts at 9 a.m. Pacific time, noon Eastern time. But then, 1 hour later, we will begin the live lecture on bliss. So that means 10 a.m. Pacific time, and that means 1 p.m. Eastern time. Again, it'll be about half an hour, maybe 25 to 30 minutes, and at the end of it, you will participate in the Global Bliss session. So those are the 2 times. We need to know which time you want to participate in, because we have a finite number of people, a limited number of people performing the treatments using the flame and wand on your photograph, and each one can only treat 16 people at one time. That means that not everyone can select Sunday, meaning some of you to do Wednesday, some of you to do Sunday. It's going to be whatever is best for you, whatever works out best for you. We'll work through this, but we need to know which time you want, and we need to make sure we have your photograph. For most of you, certainly for any of you who have been participating in the Global Sacred Sound sessions, we already have your photograph. If there's anyone who wants to participate and who has not participated in the Global Sacred Sound session, or even a virtual chair program, we'll need to get a photograph from you so that we have something to use the flame and the wand on. So for this, what I'm asking of you is whenever you want, today, tomorrow, Tuesday, send us an email. The email address is mail@biogenesis.us. Mail, M-A-I-L, at biogenesis.us. Tell us whether you want to participate in Wednesday's program or in Sunday's program. If you don't think that we have a picture of you, attach a photograph to your email. And it has to be a photograph just of you. It cannot include other people. It cannot include any pets. It's just got to be you. If you would prefer, you can give us a call at the office, and you can call us today, leave a voicemail. You can call us tomorrow, Memorial Day. Actually, we'll have someone answering the phones most of the time tomorrow, but leave a voicemail if you don't get through to someone, because we anticipate getting a lot of calls. Likewise, you can call in on Tuesday if you would like, but we do need to hear from you really by Tuesday so that we know who's receiving their treatments on Wednesday, and we can have everything prepared for Wednesday's lecture and Global Bliss session. Everyone, this has been a really exciting past few weeks. We haven't been sharing the information with you because we've been preparing for how Lantos wanted it to be presented to you. There is a lot of information he has presented to Cindy about Bliss. And over this week and even the next few weeks, we're going to present a lot of information to you that you're going to find tremendously interesting, but also inspirational, and it will fill you with excitement. This is made possible because of the Global Sacred Sound sessions. I have told you for the last 5 months how important those sessions are. Those Global Sacred Sound sessions are enlivening the great wave of creation. In so doing, they are starting to clear out the negativity on Earth and in the atmosphere of Earth. They are also enlivening, waking up the World Mother, nourishing the World Mother. And because of this, that is allowing new things to become possible. We know that the Earth itself is able to provide great support, not only for human life, but for the light of creation. But that it has long been dormant because of all of the negativity. As it wakes up, as the World Mother wakes up, many things are becoming possible. One of those things is this aspect of bliss. So this is because of your efforts. When I thank you every Wednesday, every Sunday for having participated in the Global Sacred Sound session, it's because of this. It's because of what is happening for the Earth with your efforts simply to receive those Sacred Sound sessions as part of the global group. So we thank you very much, as always, for everything you do. Give us a call, send an email, let us know whether you want to participate Wednesday or on Sunday. It'll be live, and we won't be able to do it after this. So it's just Wednesday or Sunday. Let us know which one you want. It's going to be an exciting week. Everyone, take care.